Welcome or welcome back. This is Zangler, the Tesla Semi Advocate. And today we've got some bonus footage of the Tesla Semi standing watch over the Giga Semi factory construction project. And we've got more in detail coverage and footage of the stamping building, section G. And we've got some ground level footage from the drone takeoff and landing location. So a lot of this is not recent groundbreaking events, but just a little closer look at one, the Tesla Semi here, no longer with an Easter egg, but stand by. There might be some surprises there. In recent or in the upcoming videos, there might be some more Easter eggs up Tesla's sleeve. We don't know. Right now, the most interesting about this Tesla Semi is the super single tires on the rear. Instead of dually, double rim, double tire dualies on each of the four axles, two axles, four wheels, this has the super singles. And no doubt Tesla collects data on all kinds of different tire and wheel combinations, trying to get the most efficient and most economical. Right there, it may be that the Easter egg, that the blue Easter egg, actually was blown off of the top of the Tesla Semi, for those of you who have seen the earlier videos of the Easter egg that was left on top. I think I spotted it down there, which would indicate to me that the high winds of northern Nevada, near Giga Nevada, and the Giga Semi construction facility eventually overwhelmed whatever adhesion was used. Anyway, again, this is like into the minutia of the Tesla Semi. I, for one, never get enough of looking at it and the surrounding Giga Nevada scenery. That is the Tesla warehouse on wheels, and that is Legacy Giga Nevada. And they built, when they cleared the giant warehouse on wheels where the Tesla Semi factory is being built, they created 3 new ones. So we're presently looking from the west to the east on the south side of the Giga Semi factory construction site, and it's a nice little overview. There's one of the large pits for the stamping machines, and there's the larger and more complicated pit, and look forward to seeing that develop. Here's the big dog Tesla Semi. And one thing I'm going to do in future flights and voiceovers is try to follow some of the smaller scale projects like the roads and the infrastructure they're putting in over on the north end. There's blue pipes which indicate fresh water, and we also know they did a lot of work on stormwater management over there. I think most of that is done, but they probably have to connect into it and provide the drainage to go into the large stormwater management pipes that are been built, and those drop into the wash just north of the property on Milan Avenue. I think this is a nice view of the major project. And one thing we'll try to do also is to pay attention to what's going inside the plant. We don't have a good visibility, but we'll try to pay attention as things are brought in. And this is one of the large doors that they'll use. This is ground level shot. I want to thank you for joining again, and